Hello everyone, this second video will analyse the role of Datum and the importance of their vision in relation to the evolving digital landscape, and that of a user's resulting digital presence referred to as the digital you. As usual, I will be scrolling through some of the resources from the team, such as the website and white paper and so on, in order to show you how they present their project and vision, and so you can see where to look for more information on specific aspects of the project. Standard disclaimer, this is not financial advice in any form. It is my opinion and insight based on research, and you should always do your own research before committing to anything financially whatsoever. I am an academic and entrepreneur, specialising in crypto investments mainly, and I do a lot of research for my own use, the most interesting of which I like to share with you guys. Datum, the digital you, and data autonomy. In the age of smartphones and social media, the digital you often interacts with the world much more in many ways than the physical you. Just think, when was the last time you physically went to search a shop before checking the stock online first? When was the last time you travelled to physically tell your friends an important, and in many cases not so important, piece of news instead of posting or sending a message online? Even if you aren't so tech obsessed, many people wouldn't remember not relying on personal devices for such everyday tasks, and the situation is poised to become more extreme as we progress further into the digital age of the 21st century. In addition to the fact that younger generations are becoming increasingly tech reliant, technology is becoming increasingly aggressively intertwined with the human experience. In this world, nothing is free, including and especially online services and the usage of free websites or platforms. An online presence in such arenas inherently carries the cost of sacrificing online data security and autonomy, even if this is rarely truly realised by the users themselves. Datum is striving to not only provide a technical solution to the problem of data autonomy through the development of their decentralised platform, but also to educate internet users on the importance of understanding the existence and use or abuse of their personal data. In my view, Datum are to be highly commended not only for wishing to spread this type of personal critical awareness, but also providing an actual technical solution to an otherwise disturbing problem. The current digital you, a captive, profitable asset. There is of course absolutely nothing wrong with having an online presence, but there is a darker side to your digital life which most fail to consider. As you, a user, engage in your online life, browsing the web, using email, posting on social media, a shocking amount of data is being collected by large companies through the platforms and services used. This is largely done for reasons of effective marketing or user profiling, essentially in order to gain the maximum amount of profit from said data in whichever way necessary. There is nothing inherently wrong with profit making, that's how a business successfully operates, but it's the dishonest and often downright manipulative use of this data by overarching entities which is in serious need of addressing if a safe and comfortable data-powered future is to be obtained. There have been numerous public examples of corporate-level user data misuse, but with relatively little user awareness and no path for recourse, users are left powerless. In the current situation, users have essentially no authority in how their data is used, and have no way of truly knowing how much and which specific data any certain organisations harness relating to them. These actors have proven themselves untrustworthy in their handling of data, and yet users have no option for transparently verifying this data usage even now. This is not conducive to a healthy or beneficial digital experience for anybody involved. The sad truth is that many people aren't even aware of the extent of their digital presence and valuable residual data, let alone feel compelled to attempt to resist it. We are, after all, conditioned to consume without questioning. Fortunately, however, people are slowly beginning to understand the importance of the security of their currently abused digital data. Now, Datum is providing a verifiably secure, smart contract-powered, blockchain-based solution as a means of tackling this increasingly problematic situation head-on. Datum's approach, empowering the digital you. Datum's decentralized data platform offers a solution for users to regain authority over their own data, whilst being given an opportunity to optionally monetize their valuable, anonymized data. Datum's blockchain-based solution provides inherently secure and tamper-proof data storage, which, combined with users' ability to assign individual access and sharing permissions to individual pieces of data, enables the ultimate empowerment of an individual over certain aspects of their lives never before achievable, their digital identity and data traces. Through the Datum client, currently in the form of the Datum Android or iOS apps for mobile devices and the web app for desktop, users are provided with a feature-rich yet user-friendly interface for the effective management of their data and DAT tokens. Visualization and monetization of digital data, both on a corporate and personal level, has never been able to be so effectively achieved. One thing which particularly struck me whilst researching the project and surrounding issues is that Datum is a solution built to be future-proof and arguably is set to become increasingly critical to a healthy online presence. Datum and the future of your digital presence. As we progress deeper into the digital age and continue to push the boundaries of human technological advancement, though the details or even the shape of our future cannot possibly be determined, one thing is clear: technology will continue to grow increasingly intertwined with more and more aspects of the personal and corporate human experience. With this will inevitably come a richer pool of data regarding each individual and therefore a more valuable digital you. The emergence of cutting-edge technology such as self-driving cars and IoT-enabled devices will provide new layers of personal and corporate data, the use and custody of which is yet to be determined. As data collection continues to increase in volume and intensity by large centralized entities, a truly secure and verifiable decentralized solution is surely required if the digital you is to become increasingly empowered by data autonomy, as opposed to increasingly oppressed. Datum are proposing such a solution. In the third and final installment of the Datum Spotlight review, we are going to analyse the actual mechanics of the Datum platform and explore how such a decentralised ecosystem can work towards achieving Datum's goal of ultimate control over one's own data. If you have any questions about Datum, in the meantime, I'd recommend joining their Telegram community where you can discuss anything Datum related, or learn more at their website where you can also find their white paper for some deeper research, so I'll leave a link to both in the description. What do you guys think about Datum? Do you like the concept? Do you have any queries? Leave a comment and join the discussion.